Hi everyone. Today we'll learn how to create a progress bar using a coming soon page as an example. Let's start by setting up the background. Now create a shape. Click on Shadow Settings and choose an appropriate shadow style. Now, insert a rectangle with rounded corners. Set the background color of the progress bar. Duplicate the rectangle and place it above the previous one. Go to Animations and choose the Wipe animation. In Effect Options, select from left. Increase duration. Awesome job. Thanks for watching.